Great opportunity to live in the desirable Broadview neighborhood of the prestigious Willoughby Golf Club, a premier golf community located in the heart of Stuart, Florida. Enjoy breathtaking views of the first fairway in this beautiful 3-bedroom/3B single-family home west/attached 2.5-car garage. Relax west/your morning coffee on the oversized paver patio complete west/a summer kitchen and southeastern exposure. The interior is stylishly updated west/tile and wood flooring throughout, custom moldings and open floor plan. The centrally located kitchen west/granite counters, ample storage and newer stainless steel appliances is perfect for any chef. All 3 bedrooms have their own separate updated bathroom, complete west/Toto toilets. Perfect floor plan for any family. The exclusive neighborhood pool offers social activities for the Broadview residents or as a quiet escape. Buyer is required to pay $40,000 capital contribution to Willoughby Golf Club at closing. Full golf equity, $25,000, is available but not mandatory.